Hello dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with new video on synthesis of sentences. In this video we are going to talk about synthesis of a complex sentence. But before talking about complex sentences, subscribe my channel by rating the himta. Like, share and comment. Yes dear student, before talking about complex sentences, let me refresh your mind that what is synthesis. सिंथेसिस इज ए प्रोसेस जिसके द्वारा बहुत से सेंटेंसेस को जोड़कर एक सेंटेंस बनाया जाता है. इन शॉर्ट, दो या दो से अधिक वाक्यों को या सेंटेंसेस को जोड़कर एक सिंपल, कंपाउंड, कॉम्प्लेक्स या मिक्स सेंटेंस बनाने की प्रोसेस को या प्रक्रिया को सिंथेसिस ऑफ सेंटेंस कहा जाता है. Let me tell you that how to synthesize a simple sentence. सिंपल सेंटेंस एक ऐसा सेंटेंस है जिसमें एक ही फाइनाइट वर्ब होती है. इन शॉर्ट, दो या दो से अधिक सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को जोड़कर जो एक नया सिंपल सेंटेंस बनेगा उसमें एक फाइनाइट वर्ब होनी चाहिए. हाउ टू मेक दैट न्यू सेंटेंस आउट ऑफ दीज टू और मोर देन टू सिंपल सेंटेंस? देयर आर सो मेनी रूल्स. These rules applies according to the sense of sentence, right? We can make new sentence using participles, using conjunction, using nominating absolute, by using noun or phrase in apposition or using preposition with noun or gerund, by using infinitive, by using adjective or adverb, and by using to and to. As far as concerned about the synthesis of a compound sentence, this is also very easy to do. Compound sentence में दो principal clause होती है, right? इनमें किसी तरह की subordinate clause नहीं होती है. Compound sentence बनाने के लिए दो simple sentences को एक coordinating conjunction के द्वारा जोड़ा जाता है, right? There are some coordinating conjunction which help us to coordinate two simple clause. These are and, both and, also to, as well as, not only but also, either or, neither nor, for, otherwise or, but, yet, however, so, therefore, etc. Not only that but also not less than is there, still, however, where, whereas, only, while, etc. Hence, who, which, where, when, where, which can be used in continuative sense to make a compound sentence. Now let's talk about synthesis of a complex sentences. Dear student, keep in your mind that this topic is really very interesting, that how to make a complex sentence out of one principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clause. Complex sentence में एक principal clause होती है और एक या more than one subordinate clause जो कि subordinating conjunctions के द्वारा प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज से जुड़ी होती है. दैट इज व्हाई जब दो या उससे ज्यादा मोर देन सिंपल सेंटेंस को जोड़कर एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनता है तो उसमें एक सेंटेंस को प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज बनाया जाता है एंड रेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज होगा. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हैज बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री पार्ट्स फॉर द नाउन क्लॉज, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज एंड एडवर्ब क्लॉज. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज के साथ सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस लाइक दैट, हु, व्हिच, व्हाट, बिकॉज, सिंस, सो दैट, इन ऑर्डर, दैट, एज इफ, एज सून एज, दाउ, बिफोर, आफ्टर, इफ, व्हेन, टिल, अनटिल एटसेट्रा द्वारा जोड़ा जाता है. कौन सा सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस प्रयोग होगा, यूज होगा, राइट? यह सेंटेंस के मीनिंग पर डिपेंड करता है. लेट मी टेल यू अगेन अबाउट द कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. डियर स्टूडेंट, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कंसिस्ट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज एंड वन एंड मोर देन वन सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज व्हिच इज जॉइंड बाय सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. Complex sentences can be made by two and more than two simple sentences. When two simple sentences or more than two simple sentences make a complex sentence, we have to make a principal clause. Rest are made subordinate clause. So dear student, let's start with using noun clause, that how to make complex sentence using with these keywords. Who, which, whom, whose, what, when, where, why, how, if, whether are some common conjunctions used in noun clause. Dear student, keep in your mind that these are coordinating conjunction. Here we join two simple sentences together to make a complex sentence. जब दो सिंपल सेंटेंसेस में एक असर्टिव या इंपैरेटिव या इंटेरोगेटिव होता है एंड दूसरा सेंटेंस इंटेरोगेटिव होता है, तो कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाते समय दूसरे इंटेरोगेटिव वाक्य को असर्टिव बनाते हुए पहले वाक्य से जोड़ा जाता है और यहां पर इन वर्ड से जो क्लॉज शुरू होती है वह नाउन क्लॉज होती है. बिफोर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट हाउ टू मेक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस by using noun clause, dear student, let's learn something more about noun clause. Right? Noun clause are those subordinate which works for noun is called noun clause. And to identify the noun clause, you will question from the main verb in what. In response to what will be your noun clause. Meaning of that noun clause begin with conjunction means that. Okay, like she asked me where I was going. She asked me what? क्या पूछा? Right? Where I was going is a subordinate noun clause. I know that you are an intelligent student. What do you know? क्या जानते हो आप? So, my answer is that you are an intelligent student. So, this is noun clause. Dear student, we can use noun clause in sentence various way as subject of the verb. The see yourself here, what he does is not known to me. What he does is a subject. Is a verb, right? Is a verb. So here, what he does is subject of the verb is. There are so many other examples. See yourself. Hope you understood that how to use noun clause as subject of the verb. Now, how to use noun clause as the object of the verb. See yourself, there are so many examples to understand. Next is as the object of a preposition. There are some examples to understand as well. Use of noun clause as complement to verb. Noun clause as case in oppositions to the noun or pronoun. How? See yourself. Use of noun as object to a participle. Object to an infinitive. There are so many examples. See yourself. Dear student, lastly, I would like to tell you that noun clause often begin with the three connectives. Number one, conjunction that. A clause begin with the that and the coming immediately after a transitive verb is a noun clause. Number two, a clause beginning with any relative or interrogative adverb is a noun clause provided that the adverb so used does not have its antecedent, as I want to know where he lives and I don't know why he came last night. Okay, a relative pronoun is a type of pronoun that often introduce dependent or relative clause in sentences. They also can stand alone as the subject or object of a sentences. One of the easiest way to use of spot noun clause to look for these words. Which one? How, that, what, whatever, when, where, whether, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whoever, and why. All these words are relative pronoun or relative adverb which we use to make a complex sentence. Dear student, that was about noun clause. Now here we will try to know that how we can make complex sentence using these noun conjunction. Which are these? Yes, who, which, whom, whose, what, when, where, why, how, if, whether. I do not know, ये एक assertive sentence है. Who is he? Interrogative sentence है. As I said that there are two simple sentences. दो simple sentences है. चाहे वो assertive है, imperative है, interrogative sentence होता है. And second sentence में interrogative हो तो complex बनाते समय interrogative sentence को assertive बनाते हुए पहले sentence से जोड़ा जाता है और इन वर्ड से जो क्लॉज शुरू होता है वो नाउन क्लॉज होगा. हाउ? लेट मी टेल यू. आई डू नॉट नो हु ही इज. कैन यू सी दैट which one is a noun clause? Yes, who he is a noun clause here. I cannot say has he come. I cannot say. assertive है और दूसरे वाला interrogative है. So this is a combination of assertive and interrogative. So how to make a complex sentence out of it? I cannot see whether he has come. मैं कह नहीं सकता कि वो आया है or not. Tell me is what? Imperative. Where does she live? Where does she live? Interrogative. Again, combination of imperative and interrogative. Tell me where she lives. मुझे बताओ वो कहाँ रहती है. Inform him. When will she go? Imperative plus interrogative. Okay. Inform him when she will go. Interrogative वाले सेंटेंस को हम assertive बना रहे हैं इसमें. ओके. और जहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि where लग रहा है, when लग रहा है, who लग रहा है, it means the part that come after this is a noun clause, right? When she will come. Do you know? Do you know? Interrogative. What does he do? Again interrogative. अब इसको कैसे बनाएं? Do you know what he does? क्या तुम्हें मालूम है what he does? Yes. What he does is a noun clause. Can you inform me? Can you inform me? Interrogative. Where has she gone? Again interrogative. अब इसको कैसे बनाएं? Can you inform me where she has gone? Yes, where she has gone is a noun clause. Any sentence which started with who, which, whom, whose, what, when, where, why, how, if, whether, right? ये एक noun clause होगा. Now dear student, notice this example that how we can make a complex sentence by using WH words. WH words से शुरू होने वाली clause noun clause है. See, someone telephoned me. I do not know who. I do not know who telephoned me. Who telephoned me? Who? WH. Noun clause. Subordinate clause. She will not come. I do not know why. I do not know why she will not come. Why she will not come? Again subordinate. How had he performed? None could expect this. None could expect this. How had he performed? We can write none could expect how had he performed. What a beautiful word it is. I cannot imagine. I cannot imagine what a beautiful word it is. These were some examples by which we can make a complex sentence. Now use of that. Dear student, if there are two simple sentences in that nature कि उनके एक्शन के स्वीकार या अस्वीकार का संबंध वापस में स्थापित किया जा सकता हो तो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाते समय और दैट का यूज किया जाता है. हाउ? ही इज इनोसेंट. I am confident of it. How to make a complex sentence out of it? I am confident that he is innocent. He has committed a mistake. I believe so. I believe that he has committed a mistake. She is an intelligent girl. I do not doubt it. I do not doubt that she is an intelligent girl. Now, इस तरह के सेंटेंस को जोड़कर भी कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाया जा सकता है जिसमें कोई इच्छा व्यक्त की गई हो. जैसे आई विश टू बी अ क्वीन. आई एम नॉट ए क्वीन. आई विश आई वर अ क्वीन. राइट। ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को हम इस तरह से कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं, लाइक आई विश आई वर ए क्वीन, आई विश्ड टू मैरी हर, आई डिड नॉट मैरी हर, आई विश्ड आई हैड married her. Dear student, that's it for this video. Very soon I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe.